Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design, another Mark Twain classic. This is the Huckleberry Finn knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Left side as usual is at the belt line. We're going to come over here, we're going to put a dimple in there, we're going to come underneath it like this time. We're going to come around, we're going to come up and over like this. We're going to leave it folded in half, bring it over to the top, we're going to bring it folded in half, then we're going to come over here like this and through like this. This is what we have so far. This is to secure it. Alright. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do one, come back up through here like this, and we're going to have it folded in half like that. We're gonna have it leave it over there like that. We're going to fold it in half like this. Fold the skinny end in half. We're going to come over like this. Come around like that, and then come back over here like this. Then I'm going to cinch it up like this. Now let me go ahead and put my collar down here. Remember to follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials and check out Stylish Leadership as well for great content. Here you have it. The Huckleberry Finn. On your side, my friends, your fifth one of the made. You can see the fin right there. Alright, peace and God bless you in the next video.